In this video, I will show you guys step by step how you can promote Fiverr affiliate links on YouTube step by step using free traffic without investing any money in paid ads. So make sure to watch this video until the end. If you guys skip one step, this business will be really difficult for you and you can't start making commissions like this. Just in the last 7 days, I made $5,512 in commission with Fiverr affiliates promoting my affiliate links on YouTube using free traffic. Okay, this is my Fiverr affiliates account dashboard, as you can see. So for people who want to start promoting Fiverr affiliate links on YouTube, make sure to watch this video and until the end, and let's get started. So step number one, first you need to go to Google and search for Fiverr. Okay, search for this website, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple, and after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, so what you will do next, you just need to come to this page and scroll down, go to, let me show you, just scroll down and go to company and click over here on affiliate, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you guys can check this website, you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. They are really paying good commissions. From my experience, this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever. So anyway, just click here on join now and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. All you have to do, you just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, password, and account type. Make it private. Scroll down. Do you have a main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country and choose your language. If you have a Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and that's it. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. So this will be your Fiverr affiliates account dashboard. Okay, so what you will do next is you need to choose good services that you will promote on YouTube to earn commission. So what you will do next, you will go back to your home page on Fiverr and we will click on the search and we will search for YouTube thumbnail. Okay, so since we will promote our services on YouTube, we will try to promote services related to YouTube. Okay, you cannot promote any services that you like or that you think it's gonna work. It doesn't work like this. You need to choose good services related to what people will be interested to buy. Okay, so scroll down and here you go. You will find a lot of people here who are providing this service on Fiverr. So you need to choose good sellers. Always choose like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, top rated sellers, and sellers who has a lot of reviews. So for example, like this seller. This seller has, its level 2 seller has over 1000 reviews, which is really good. I will click on this seller service like this, and here you go. You will be directly in this seller profile page on Fiverr. You guys can see this seller has 25 orders in queue, meaning that this service is working and people are buying this service. You can even see this. People keep coming back. Over 10,000 people paid for this service, which is really good. So what you will do next, you will copy the link of this seller, copy the profile link of this seller and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click over here. You have dashboard, you have marketing tools, you have reports. Click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links, and you will be again to this page. Click on deep link, put this seller profile link here, click on save, and here you go. You just created your first affiliate link that you can use to promote this service on YouTube. So what we will do next, let's go back to Canva. So go and create an account on Canva. If you don't have, that's fine. Just go to Google, search for Canva like this, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address, and that's it. After you finish, your home page should looks like this. So click over here on video, and what you will do next, click on YouTube video here. Okay, and what you will do next, you will go back to this seller profile page on Fiverr about YouTube thumbnail service. Scroll down, you guys can see that the seller has a video which is really good. Let's check his video. So this is a really good video. So this seller is showing and explaining to people how he can help them make an engaging and attractive YouTube thumbnails that can help people to get more views on YouTube. So what you will do, you will double click on the video and click on save video. You need to save this video to your laptop. I'm gonna name it, for example, YouTube video YouTube. And what you will do next, you will go back to Canva like I said and click over here on upload. Okay, click on upload file and upload the video that you download from Fiverr. Okay, so let me search for my video. This is my video about YouTube thumbnail service. Click on open, and here you go. Click on your video, and your video will be here like this. So just click on this 3 points and click on, scroll down and click on set video as background, and here you go. Click over here on text, scroll down, choose which text style you want to use for your videos. For example, I'm going to use this one. I will click on this one like this, and I will delete the second one here. So let me see, and I will decrease the font size of this text, and I will put this text here. Double click on this text and write this sentence: check link in my description. Check link in my description like this. Okay, and go over here to elements, click on elements and scroll down. Let me show you. Just scroll down, keep scrolling down. You should see, let me show you, you should see this one, ships. Okay, choose this one, and let me show you. Click on this ship and put this one behind your text like this. Okay, and click over here on color and choose black color like this. So I will click on the video. You guys can remove the background music because you can get copyright issue on YouTube, so make sure to remove the background music and just leave it like this. You guys can see. So people who are using YouTube, who just started YouTube, they will be interested to buy YouTube thumbnail service to get more views and grow their YouTube channels. So after you finish, click on share and click on download, and this video will be download to your laptop. Go and open your YouTube channel. Okay, create a YouTube channel. It's for free, it's easy. Upload this video to your YouTube channel and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Let me show you. Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account here, and for you guys, if you just started this business, you guys can't see this option, Fiverr CPA old plan, because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate account. I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years now, and I still have this option. For you, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. So just copy your affiliate link from here, go back to YouTube and put your affiliate link in your YouTube description. And for your title, use this title: how to create YouTube thumbnail. Use this title exactly like this. In your YouTube description, put this sentence. If you are looking for how to create an engaging and attractive clickbait YouTube thumbnail, check link below and put your affiliate link in your YouTube description. That's how you can promote your Fiverr affiliate links on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys have any question, just leave it in the comments, and see you in my next videos.